Right, so other things you can do with tuples. So we've talked about deleting and accessing. You can still loop through them. So if we loop through like we did before, that's going to work exactly the same. So you can still loop through them like you can a list. You can still do your checking if something is in or not in. So you can do your if statements to check if something is in there or not, and that will still work fine because that's just accessing. So you can access, but you just can't edit. Other accessing things you might want is you can do like printing the length. So you can see it's 3. You just can't change them because they're immutable. So if we look at some other stuff you can do, is choose a different tuple. What we've got here is this tuple is load numbers. We're going to count how many times 5 appears, which you can see it's 2. And you see the output's 2. So you can count and you can still do your indexing. Alright, so you can find out if something does exist, where it exists. Okay, so 8 is at position 3. Look, so it's 0, 1, 2, 3. So the key thing with a tuple is it can do lots of things a list can do, but nothing that involves changing the data. So a tuple you set and it's immutable, so you can't change it.